A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. For example, the pronoun for Professora Smith would be she, and the pronoun for Hannah and I would be we. The subject of a sentence is the person or the object, which is a noun, that performs the action of the verb. In the example, the subjects are underlined. Hannah and I speak Spanish. The subject pronoun altogether is a pronoun that is the subject of the sentence. In the example, the subject pronoun is underlined and bolded. We speak Spanish. Here are the subject pronouns in English, and next to the subject pronouns in English, in blue are the subject pronouns in Spanish. I'm going to say them so you can hear the pronunciation. Yo, tú, usted, él, ella, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, ustedes, ellos, and ellas. Some notes on subject pronouns are that in Spanish you have two ways of addressing or talking directly to one person. It is called the informal or the formal. When you know somebody very well, like the person is your friend or your family member, your classmate, or they're younger than you, then you will use tú to address them. When you don't know someone very well, or the person is older than you, or they might have a title, like a doctor, a professor, a boss, your parent's friend, that is when you will use usted. When you're talking to one person plus one other, or two other, or three other, or however many other. Basically, when you're talking to a group of people, and in English we would say you all or you guys, you will use vosotros or vosotras only in Spain. Ustedes is used in Spain for you all, plural, but formally. In the rest of the Spanish-speaking world, to address or to talk directly to a group of people, you will use ustedes. Nosotros or nosotras is we. When you are speaking, when you are the speaker and you are a male, and you're speaking with another male speaker, so you're saying we are doing something, and both speakers are male, then you'll use nosotros. If you, the speaker, are a female, and you're talking with another male speaker, and you want to say we, then you'll use also nosotros. The only time you're going to use nosotras is when you, the speaker, is a female, and the person with whom you are speaking is also a female. So you would say we, and you're both females, then you would use nosotras. The same concept is used for vosotros and vosotras. Él, ella, ellos, and ellas are used when you're talking about a person or people, which means that the person is not there. For example, you would use él, which means he, when you're talking about your friend Juan and how he's from Spain. So in Spanish, you would say, Juan es mi amigo. Él es de España. The verb to be, ser. What's important to know is what an infinitive is. An infinitive is an unconjugated verb. To be is the infinitive in English. The to before the verb marks it as an infinitive. It is a verb in its unchanged form of I am, you are, he is, etc. Changing the verb to align to the subject pronoun is called conjugating a verb. To be is the infinitive. To be, when I conjugate it, is I am, you are, he, she is, we are, you all are, and they are. Let's put it all together now. You've learned your subject pronouns, and you've learned how to conjugate verbs. So, we talked about conjugating, meaning that you align your subject pronoun up with the correct form of verb. And here are the subject pronouns conjugated with the verb ser. And I'm going to say them so that you know how to pronounce them. Yo soy, tú eres, usted es, él es, ella es, nosotros y nosotras somos. Vosotros, vosotras sois. Ustedes son. Ellos son. Ellas son. You want to note that the subject pronouns, yo, tú, él, ella, usted, etc., are optional. Yo soy means I am, and soy means I am. A common question with the verb ser is, ¿de dónde eres? Where are you from? Soy de New Hampshire. I'm from New Hampshire. Think about how you would ask your professor where she is from. ¿De dónde es usted? That's right, and I would answer, soy de Kingston, New Hampshire. Another usage of ser is when we talk about describing things. For example, you could say, ¿Cómo es María? What does Maria look like? What is her temperament? What are her physical characteristics, is what you're asking. And then, to answer, you could say, María es alta, bonita, etc.